The Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus, even in 2019, lives up to the next big thing slogan we so often hear from Samsung. It has a ridiculously sized screen, fast chipsets and an equally outsized price, though one that has fallen a fair bit since launch. Moreover, owning this new Android means you're upgrading to the most cutting-edge, VR-ready smartphone available. Having the absolute best camera and best OLED display matter to you. There are now lots of Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus deals since the phone has been out since May 2017. It's still incredibly expensive, but the introduction of the Galaxy Note 8 and the passage of time has meant the price has dropped down a touch. The SIM-free Samsung Galaxy S8 UK price was £779.99 at launch, but it's now down to around £600 from some retailers. Either that or you can get it on contract through a carrier for £45 to £50 a month with £0 cost upfront. In Australia it tops out at $1,349 Australian dollars. It launched on April 28, 2017 in both regions. The Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus design is exactly what we've wanted for several years almost. Before 2017, we had been asking for a bigger screen, but on a phone that's still small enough to be easy to hold. It measures 159.5 by 73.4 by 8.1 mm and weighs 173 grams. That's taller than the Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge and even the Note 7, but not by much. And get this, the iPhone 7 Plus with its smaller 5.5-inch screen is just a millimeter shorter and actually wider and heavier than the S8 Plus. If you're looking for the best camera in a smartphone, you should buy the Galaxy S8 or the Galaxy S8 Plus right now. Samsung's competition has a lot to live up to. Sure, everything seems to be the same as on the Galaxy S7 Edge. On the surface, the main camera has a 12MP sensor with dual-pixel autofocus, a fast f/1.7 aperture, and it captures large 1.4 micrometers pixels. The front-facing Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus camera has been given an even bigger upgrade, reflected in both the specs sheet and its overall performance. Here's a tricky one for Samsung. The Galaxy S8 Plus is big enough to house a monster-sized battery, but given all of the Note 7 battery explosions, it chose not to push the envelope. Instead, we have a 3,500 mAh battery, the same exact capacity as the Note 7 and actually 100 fewer milliamps than the Galaxy S7 Edge. All of this is conservative given the Asus Zenfone Max just launched with a 5,000 mAh battery.